Hello, teacher. Hello, students. Welcome to Grade 10 Mathematics. Today, we are beginning a new unit on polynomial functions. During this unit, you will learn to define polynomial functions and learn their 4 fundamental operations. You will apply theorems on polynomials to solve problems. You will learn how to determine the number of rational and irrational zeros of a polynomial and sketch the graphs of polynomial functions. We have a lot to learn in this unit, students. We will begin with an introduction to the polynomial functions. Are you ready? Let us begin. A function is symbolized by f. Remember, students, that a function is a relation in which 2 ordered pairs have the same first element. This means that for a given value of x in the domain of f, there is a unique pair belonging to the function f. This pair is usually represented by x, y. A polynomial function is a function that has x as an input variable. It consists of several terms, with each term being the product of 2 factors. The first factor is a real number coefficient. The second factor is x raised to a non-negative integer power. In grade 9, we studied linear, constant, and quadratic equations. These are all special cases in the wider class of functions called polynomials. The domain of polynomials is the set of all real numbers. Let n be a non-negative integer. Let the series a sub n minus 1 to a sub 1, a sub 0 be real numbers where an does not equal 0. Then, the function p of x equals a sub nx to the power of n plus a sub n minus 1x to the power of n minus 1 to a sub 1x plus a sub 0. This is called a polynomial function of variable x in degree n. In this definition, note that the terms defined by a are called the coefficients of the polynomial function, or simply the polynomial. The number an is called the leading coefficient of the polynomial function, and an x to the power of n is the leading term. The number a0 is called the constant term of the polynomial. The number n, which is the exponent of the highest power of x, is the degree of the polynomial. Let us try an activity, students. Here are 4 functions. Which are polynomials? Which are not? Remember that polynomial functions can take different forms.
Students, let's get ready. Let's get back to our lesson.
Welcome back, students. Let us review the correct answers. A, B, and D are polynomial functions in that they satisfy all of our criteria. C is not a polynomial function because its domain is not the set of real numbers. If that was your answer, well done. When you are checking if an expression is a polynomial function, you must be careful to see what domain it defines. Now, let us learn the operations of polynomials. They are addition, subtraction, multiplication, and division. Addition is the simplest operation. The sum of 2 polynomial functions, f and g, is written as f plus g and expressed this way. F plus g is the sum of f and g of x, which is equal to f of x plus g of x for all values of x that are in the set of real numbers. Subtraction is the inverse of addition. The difference of 2 polynomial functions, f and g, is written as f minus g and is expressed as f minus g is the difference of f and g of x, which equals f of x minus g of x for all values of x that are in the set of real numbers. To multiply 2 polynomial functions, multiply each term of one by each term of the other and collect like terms. The product of 2 polynomial functions, f and g, is written as f dot g and is expressed as f dot g is f dot g of x, which equals f of x times g of x for all values of x that are in the set of real numbers. We can divide one polynomial by another using a similar long division process, similar to that used in arithmetic. the quotient of two polynomial functions, f and g, is written as f divided by g and is expressed as f divided by g is f divided by g of x, which equals f of x divided by g of x, provided that g of x does not equal 0 for all values of x that are in the set of real numbers. Let us do one more activity, students. Here are two polynomial functions. Please add f of x to g of x to find their sum.
Students, let's get ready. Begin. Let's get back to our lesson.
Welcome back, students. Did you manage to add the functions? F of x plus g of x is expressed as 7x cubed minus 4x squared minus 5x plus 8 plus 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 9x minus 4. By combining like terms, we are left with the solution. 9x cubed minus x squared minus 14x plus 4. Well done, everyone. Teacher, following the lesson, please make sure that everyone practices subtracting, multiplying, and dividing polynomial functions as well. That is all for this lesson, students. Today, we were introduced to polynomial functions. Until next lesson, thank you, teacher. Thank you, students.